Hi, we'll be solving a probability problem today. So when two fair dice are rolled, what is the probability of having 6 as the sum of the resulting numbers? So when we roll one dice, we get 6 cases, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Similarly, when we are rolling another dice, we'll have same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as the possible cases. So when we roll two dices, the total number of possible cases will be equal to 6 into 6 or will be equal to 36. Now, when we are rolling two dices, we have to figure out these values of getting a number in dice 1 or in dice 2 such that the sum is equal to 6. Now for the sum to be 6, the numbers can be 1, 5, 2, 4, 3, 3, 4, 2, and 5, 1. So overall we'll have 5 cases. So probability of getting a sum of 6 when rolling two dices will be equal to 5 divided by total number of cases, which is 36. So answer will be option number D. If you want to master the concepts of how to find probability of rolling a dice, do check out the video provided in the description of this video, where I talk about all those concepts in a lot of detail. Hope you found this video useful and do share your comments on the video. Thank you.